Ever wondered why happiness seems elusive despite all your efforts to chase it? Many of us view happiness as a trophy to be won, a destination to reach, but in reality, happiness is as varied and individual as we are. It's a complex interplay of emotions, not a one-size-fits-all prize to claim. The notion that happiness is a goal often leads us astray, making us forget that it's not something to be found in the external world, but something to be cultivated within. Happiness is a state of being, a product of our actions, thoughts, and attitudes. Unraveling the mystery of happiness begins with the understanding that it's not something to be found, but created. Imagine if you could create your own happiness, just like an artist creates a masterpiece. Does it sound too good to be true? Well, it's not. The concept of creating your own happiness is rooted in personal responsibility and self-awareness. It's about understanding that your happiness isn't a product of circumstances, but rather it's a byproduct of your perceptions, your attitudes, and most importantly, your actions. And what about negative emotions? Well, they're part of the journey too. Embracing both positive and negative emotions is essential in the pursuit of genuine happiness. It's not about avoiding sadness, anger, or fear, but acknowledging them, learning from them, and moving forward. Now let's talk strategies. Cultivating gratitude, for instance, can dramatically shift your focus from what's wrong in your life to what's right. Practicing mindfulness, on the other hand, allows you to live in the present, to appreciate the now rather than dwell on the past or anxiously anticipate the future. And let's not forget about fostering positive relationships. Surrounding yourself with supportive, uplifting individuals can significantly enhance your overall sense of well-being. Creating happiness is an art, and like any art, it requires patience, practice, and a dash of creativity. Now that you understand how to create your own happiness, let's delve into why it's so important. Happiness, you see, is more than just a pleasant state of mind. It's a powerful catalyst that can bring about positive changes in various aspects of our lives. Firstly, happiness can significantly improve our physical health. It's been scientifically proven that those who are happier tend to have stronger immune systems, lower blood pressure, and even live longer. Happiness can be a potent medicine, healing us from within and helping us maintain our vitality. The benefits of happiness extend to our professional lives as well. A happy individual is likely to be more productive, innovative, and committed at work. This isn't surprising. When we're happy, we're motivated, we're energized, we're ready to take on the world. Happiness also bolsters our emotional resilience, allowing us to navigate life's ups and downs with ease. It's like an inner light that keeps us glowing even in the darkest of times. It can transform our perception of challenges, turning them into opportunities for growth and learning. Let's take the example of Thomas Edison, who failed 1,000 times before he successfully invented the light bulb. He didn't view these failures as disappointments, but as steps towards his eventual success. His happiness, his passion for his work, powered him through all these setbacks. And that's the transformative power of happiness. It can shift our perspective, making us see the world and our place in it in a new light. It can inspire us to dream big, to strive for greatness, to live a life that's not just good, but truly extraordinary. The power of happiness lies not in fleeting moments of joy, but in the enduring sense of fulfillment that comes from living a life of purpose and meaning.